Hello Pisces, and welcome to your reading for the possibilities that are coming your way. Remember that this reading does not necessarily have any specific date on it. Whenever this message finds you, and whenever you find this message, then this reading will be for you at this given time. You are starting with the dominant energy of the drum roll. Wow, the Ace of Pentacles. There is some kind of, commitment here. It could possibly be either related to some kind of commitment with a person, a relationship, or material wealth. This also has to do with maybe your finances kind of growing, or just meeting somebody here that will help you catapult yourself to that next level where you're going to finally see your manifestations, okay, on a more tangible level. So this could also represent that kind of energy of coming into stability, okay, into stability, and also brand new beginnings and unity. Something here of long term. It holds a lot of long term potential, like I said, either a marriage, either a business, whatever it is. This is kind of going to work out in your favor for the long term. So a lot of stable energy here. Now let's go ahead and see what's going on in your environment. I do see right off the bat the sign of Aries. Also, I see the sign of Leo. Let's see, what else do we have here? So there's going to be a very important tower moment for you this week. Also, I also see the sign of, let's see, Libra. But this tower moment, you guys, represents some kind of unexpected change, okay? Whether you're delivering this news to somebody or somebody is delivering this news to you, there is going to be some kind of tower moment that is going to be created in your environment. Now, don't get scared. A lot of people say, my goodness, a tower moment again, one after another. Well, guess what? This one here holds a gift. There is a gift and a surprise. If things have been kind of stalled for a little bit, this tower moment has had to happen for quite a while now so that things can start gaining the right kind of momentum forward. Because here you have right underneath the Eight of Wands. A lot of communication, a lot of back and forth, kind of emailing each other, texting each other, communicating with one another in order to get the ball rolling. Okay, so this is a lot of good energy here for you. Like I said, you are either attracting somebody here in the form of a help that you've needed. Maybe you've needed help in some area of your life. You are finally going to see that help coming in, okay? Or maybe this is kind of going to be some kind of collaborative type of venture that you are kind of like putting yourself in. Maybe it could be a business venture. Remember, this could be family related, career related, love related, whatever it is. This is kind of like a catalytic type of energy. You're going to meet somebody here who will be a catalyst to you, and you will become a catalyst to this person. This is beautiful energy. Now let's go ahead and see at the bottom of the deck, you have here the 10 of Cups. So for a group of you guys, this does represent love. It represents some kind of union here, embracing some kind of beautiful partnership and coming into a joyful connection. Because here with this 10 of Cups, I mean, this 10 of Cups represents a very beautiful union, okay? It's two people coming together as one, especially and particularly on an emotional level. You guys do have an emotional bond with one another, and it's real. It's very genuine, and it's very solid. I do sense that whatever this is, it's solidifying the energy. Even if you don't feel it or see it right in front of you, it's solidifying in the background, okay? So this is beautiful energy coming into some kind of union, some kind of commitment. I mean, there's no other way to put it. I mean, there's a couple here sitting down, holding a baby, surrounded by 10 cups. You know, these 10 cups are basically overflowing with emotion, and that rainbow in the background. This is absolutely gorgeous energy. Now let's go ahead and see what this Ace of Pentacles is all about for you. What is this Ace of Pentacles? A brand new beginning, painting a brand new chapter in your life. Now, I do sense that somebody here has deep emotions for you, and their emotions are growing day by day, okay? Now, I do sense that there's going to be somebody here who's going to be kind of like either requesting a move, or maybe kind of wanting to travel, maybe planning to travel, that sort of thing, traveling to see you, you traveling to see them, some kind of request here to travel, to maybe, you know, just to move, even just to move. Maybe some of you guys are thinking of moving. So this is also some kind of a big move, okay? But look at this. You have here the artist. You have already had sort of like a lot of experiences that have taught you a lot in your life. And so this is kind of telling you you're ready for that next step. You are ready. If you think that you still have to study, that you still have to kind of like, you know, gain more knowledge, this is telling you there's nothing more that you need to do. You have already learned this lesson. You are ready to paint a brand new future. Now here at the bottom of the deck, I do see the Four of Cups. So there is going to be an opportunity being offered either to you or you to this other person. But this opportunity is genuine, you guys, because there's this kind of like energy here where somebody here might be a little bit too distracted with maybe what happened in the past. What if this happens all over again? What if they betray me? What if this, what if that? Whatever this case may be, you know, there's one individual here who is too focused on the ending of something or how something could go wrong instead of focusing on what could possibly go right, which is here, this opportunity. Okay, so look at this opportunity, see it for what it is, because it's genuine. If you say to yourself, no, I think it's too good to be true, it really is not, okay? It's not too good to be true. I do sense that there's somebody here in the background planning something, strategizing. You know, it's like you're planning on having a conversation, or maybe this person is planning on telling you something, that sort of thing. There will be justice in the situation, and there's also a chance and an opportunity to dive in for a brand new beginning. And remember, the Fool likes to travel lightly. So this means that if you're going to start something, you have to leave something that is no longer working you behind, okay? Because the Fool does not like to travel with baggage. Now we're going to go into the extended reading to see who this other person is, because I do sense that somebody here is still feeling a little bit regretful. It could be in your family situation, in your love situation, career, whatever it is, but there's somebody here lingering in the background who has a lot to say to you. There are still a lot of unsaid words between you and this individual. Somebody did walk away in the past, but they walked away feeling a sense of an empty victory. This could also be betrayal, something here that maybe somebody did, but they're not feeling good about what they did at this moment, okay? And they are trying to make some kind of amends. There is this person who wants to take action towards you, and this is a very bold and confident type of action that they want to take towards you. But we're going to be going into the extended reading to see who that person is. But before we do that, let's go ahead and ask your question. So as I shuffle these cards, you're going to be getting a yes or no answer to your question. So go ahead and ask your question. But also, before we do that, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, you guys, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that you are notified each and every single week that I post. I post each and every single week for every single zodiac sign. You guys, when you subscribe, it really helps me and it helps the algorithm so that I can continue posting more readings like these for you guys on this platform. Also, if you have not yet given this video a thumbs up, go ahead and take the time right now to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you all so much for your support. Okay, is this a yes or no? Ready? Drum roll. That is a definite yes. So like I said, if you have already closed a chapter in your life, it's closed. It is done with. It is time for you to start a brand new one. Here with this World card, embrace some kind of energy here, maybe even self-love. It doesn't have to be another person, but there is this kind of embracing joyful energy that is coming here for you, okay? There's a lot of things that you have learned, and whatever it is that finished, it just was not meant to be, you guys, okay? So don't take it too seriously. You know, if despite maybe your best attempts or your best efforts, the outcome was not what you wished it was, okay? There's going to be new beginnings, and there's going to be new opportunities. There always is, especially when you get the World card. The World, basically, it's telling you the world is full of new opportunities for you, especially this week, okay? So don't dwell on self-pity or diminish self-esteem, because that's only going to kind of obscure your view for what is to come. Because remember, there is an opportunity right on the horizon, so that you want to stay aware, you want to stay vigilant and ready for this opportunity that is coming your way, okay? And here at the bottom of the deck, letting go, dropping a burden that is no longer yours to carry, okay? Maybe this person came in asking for help, and you know, maybe you said yes once, and then they keep coming back for more, and you keep saying yes. Well, now it's a time for this person to take full responsibility for themselves. This burden is no longer yours, okay? It's no longer your responsibility. Beautiful. Now let's go ahead and get one Well, actually, before we get your affirmation message, let's roll the dice. What the dice has for you. So here we have the sign of Sagittarius. Look at that. And the number 6. So let's start off with the number 6. You are coming into a lot of balanced energy, a lot of harmonious energy. 6s represent harmony, you know, a harmonious relationship maybe that is being created right now. It's going to create a lot of joy. It's basically a bond that is free from attachments, or a situation that is free from attachments to power, to money, to control, to status. This is you accepting your friends, your loved ones, your partners, even yourself, just as they are and just as you are, releasing all judgment. Beautiful. This here is the sign of Sagittarius. So you maybe are either dealing with a Sagittarius, or you have Sagittarius in your chart, or this is just reminding you, embrace that energy of Sagittarian energy, okay? It's very bold, it's very expansive. It's also kind of like asking yourself the bigger questions, because Sagittarius is ruled by the philosopher. So this is the week for you to really ask yourself those deeper questions, those big questions about life, okay? The search for meaning, the deeper search for meaning, trying to understand yourself, what it is that you want out of your life, out of the situation, okay? Gaining more knowledge, learning more, reading more, exploring more, and also socializing more. Beautiful. Now let's go ahead and see what the affirmation message is for you. Let's see. I am surrounded by love and support. So whatever it is, that decision that you have to make, I know that new beginnings are not easy for anyone. Just know that you are surrounded by love and support from your guides, from your angels, okay, from your ancestors, from your loved ones in this physical reality. So just know that you are always surrounded by love and support. Whatever decision you make, you are always taken care of. You are always protected, and you are always being guided in the right direction. This is what I have for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you'd like to watch the extended reading, the link to the extended is down in the description box below. In the extended reading, I go into the other person's subconsciousness, their deeper thoughts about you, their deeper feelings for you, their next actions, moves, and more. And thank you all so much for all of your positive feedback for the extended reading. I am so glad that you guys are loving the extended reading so much. So again, if you want to check out the link to the extended, the link is down in the description box below. And if you'd like a personal psychic reading, you can click on my special link that's down in the description box below. I've partnered with Psychic Source, so you can receive 10 minutes for only $10 and an additional 3 minutes free. And for psychic phone call readings, make sure to use my special number 26489. Again, that's 26489 when you make the call, so that you can receive your discount. I'm not a reader on Psychic Source. However, you can choose from any psychic or tarot reader that you'd like by checking out their ratings and reviews. You can either chat with them online via my direct link, or choose a phone call and use my special code 26489 to receive your discount offer. And check out my new video on my new channel, Maya Sky, where I guide you in an affirmations meditation to manifest anything you want. The link to my new channel, Maya Sky, and the new video is down in the description box below. And remember that your monthly readings have all been posted on the channel. You can check out the links to all those readings for the entire month down in the description box below. And check out GinaMoon.com and click on shop. I have new jewelry pieces, necklaces, rings, crystals, and much more for both men and women. Whether you seek protection from negative energies, want to manifest wealth and prosperity, or you desire to find true love, my Gina Moon online store has a perfect piece for you. It's the ultimate collection of spiritual jewelry designed to enhance your life and unlock the power of the universe. Each exquisite jewelry piece is handcrafted with love and infused with the positive energy of ancient wisdom. Wearing these pieces is like carrying your own personal sanctuary, offering you protection, attracting abundance, and inviting more love into your life. Imagine feeling a deep sense of peace as you go about your day, knowing that you are shielded, protected by the powerful energies of sacred gemstones. So experience the incredible transformation that comes with wearing these precious gems. Let its energy align with yours, empowering you to attract love, abundance, success, and more. So check out my online store at ginamoon.com and click on shop. The direct link is down in the description box below.